In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use status and drop-down columns within Monday.com. First, head to your Monday.com homepage and make sure you're in the right place to organize your work. From here, open your workspaces. This ensures you're adding columns to the correct area of your account, whether you're working on a personal board or a team workspace. If you don't already have a board set up, click the plus sign and choose Board to create one. If you do have a board, simply open it. Either way, the process is the same from this point forward. Give your board a clear name and structure so it's easy to navigate as you add more items and columns. On your board, look to the far right of your columns and click the plus sign to add a new column. In the search field, type status. Select the status column from the results to add it to your board. Now, click any cell in the status column for a specific row to use it. You'll see a list of labels you can apply, such as done, working on it, or stuck, depending on your account's defaults. To tailor these labels to your process, open the status cell again and choose Edit Labels. Here you can rename labels to match your workflow, change their colors for quick visual scanning, and remove any that you won't use. Keep your list concise so teammates can make consistent choices. Clear color-coded labels help everyone understand progress at a glance. Next, add a drop-down column. Click the plus sign again to add a column, type drop-down in the search, and select it. A drop-down column is ideal for multi-select fields like tags, regions, or dependencies. It lets you pick more than one option for a single item without cluttering your board. Click a cell in the new drop-down column to start using it. To customize the available choices, open the menu and choose Edit Values. If you need an option that isn't listed, type it in and select Create as New Label. This saves the new value for future use across the column. Consider standardizing naming, like singular versus plural terms, to keep filters and views consistent. That's it. You've added a status column to track progress and a drop-down column to manage multi-select details, customize both to your workflow, and learned how to update labels and values on the fly. With these two column types, your boards become clearer, faster to scan, and easier to maintain as your projects grow.